If CapCut on your PC is taking up too much space, or you've noticed your storage filling up faster than expected, this video is going to help you clean it up quickly and safely. Today, I'll show you how to clear CapCut storage on PC by removing draft files inside the app, which is one of the easiest ways to free up space without uninstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, look for the Settings area. This is where CapCut keeps many of its storage and draft-related options, so this is the first place you want to check if you're trying to clear space. After opening Settings, make sure you are in the Draft tab. This part is important because CapCut stores project drafts locally, and those files can build up over time. If you've been editing a lot of videos, even unfinished drafts can take a surprising amount of storage. Once you're in the Draft tab, look for the draft size. CapCut usually shows you how much space your drafts are using, which helps you identify whether this is the source of your storage issue. Take a quick look at the size so you know what you're removing before you delete anything. Now, next to the draft size, you should see a Delete option. Click Delete next to it to remove those draft files from your PC. This will help clear CapCut storage and free up disk space. Especially if you no longer need old project drafts, if you have multiple drafts saved, this can make a big difference right away. Just remember, once you delete the drafts, they may no longer be available for quick access inside CapCut, so make sure you only remove files you're done with. If you're not sure, double-check the project before deleting it. And that's it. You've now cleared CapCut storage on PC by removing draft data directly from the app settings. It only takes a minute, but it can help keep your computer running smoother and give you more room for editing. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.